Are you still uploading TikTok videos one by one, manually, every single day? Do you manage multiple TikTok accounts and feel exhausted just posting content? What if you could instantly upload TikTok videos to dozens or even hundreds of accounts with just one click? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to auto-upload TikTok videos instantly using MKT TikPro. Let's be honest, manual TikTok posting is slow. You have to log in and out of many accounts, upload videos one by one, rewrite captions again and again, copy hashtags repeatedly, and switch IPs constantly. If you manage 10, 30, or 100 TikTok accounts, doing this manually is a nightmare. You waste hours every day, you lose posting speed, and you can't scale fast enough. That's exactly why we built the Instant Auto TikTok Video Upload feature inside MKT TikPro. Now let me show you how it works in real time. Step 1. Open MKT TikPro. Step 2. Upload the video you want to post on Video Management, and you can upload dozens or hundreds of videos at once. Step 3. Enter the hashtag, a sign card, and describe and the affiliate products you want to sell if you have. Step 4. Go to the Post function and Post Video feature. Step 5. Select videos which you want to post and set how many video you will post each account. Step 6. Choose visibility mode like Public, Friend, Private, or you can interact after posting video and drop heart, comment. The important thing is check music copyright and past content check. Step 8. Click Start Upload or you can schedule post. And now, MKT TikPro will instantly upload and publish TikTok videos on all selected accounts automatically in real time. This feature allows you to upload TikTok videos automatically, post on one account or hundreds of accounts at the same time, rotate videos across multiple accounts, fully automate large-scale TikTok posting in real time, control multi-account systems easily, keep your accounts constantly active, test multiple niches at the same time, scale traffic and sales faster, build TikTok farms and content systems. MKT TikPro uses real device simulation, independent proxies for each account, safe posting speed, random behavior for each account. No API abuse, no spam behavior, everything works just like a real human, but much faster and at scale. If you want to instantly auto-upload TikTok videos, scale your TikTok system, and grow faster without manual posting, then MKT TikPro Instant Auto Upload is exactly what you need. Click the link in the description to get a demo, or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp for setup and support. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok automation tutorials. I'm Tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.